guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make kare udon using udon noodles from the Japanese company Nissin. Not Nissin, but Nichin noodles made in China, whose name sounds exactly like Nissin, but still the names look very similar. The packaging lists Hokkaido udon in Japanese, but there is not a single element of Hokkaido in it. Well, okay. In addition to curry udon, we will also show you how to make udon soup that can be used for various noodles. Put 100 cc of mirin in a small pot and heat it over medium heat. Bring to a boil, then turn up the heat and completely remove the alcohol. Ooh! Caught off guard, be careful when lighting fires. When the fire goes out, it is a signal that the alcohol component is gone. Add soy sauce and turn off the heat. Add granulated dashi. This time, I used this granulated dashi with no added salt or chemical seasonings. This udon soup can be stored in the fridge for over a month and can be used for various Japanese dishes, so it is recommended. Cut 120-gram chicken into bite-sized pieces. 1 spring onion, sliced appropriately. This is the only ingredient I use this time, as I use leftover curry. Put the leftover curry, 200 cc water, and 4 tablespoons udon soup in a pot over medium heat. If you don't have leftover curry, you can substitute 1 or 2 curry roux and a suitable amount of water. Mix lightly, then add the chicken. When it boils, add these udon noodles. Warm the noodles slightly to loosen them, so cook for 2 to 3 minutes before losing. If you mix the udon noodles immediately after adding them, they tend to break. Cook for further 2 to 3 minutes after the noodles have loosened. Simmering in the curry allows the flavor to soak into the udon. Finish topping with spring onions. Itadakimasu. The aroma is different from that of curry rice. Spice and richness in your mouth. It's tasty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.